Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly amazing. The benefits of drinking clove water at night. Clove water is not just a simple drink. It's a powerful remedy that can bring about some incredible health benefits that many doctors don't even mention. First off, what is clove water? Clove water is simply water infused with cloves. Cloves are those little brown, flower-shaped spices that have a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter taste. They're packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and essential oils that can work wonders for your body. Stay tuned to discover the 6 surprising health benefits of clove water. Number 1. Promotes better digestion. Clove water is a fantastic remedy for digestive issues. Cloves contain compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food. When you drink clove water at night, it helps your stomach process the food you've eaten during the day more efficiently. This can prevent common digestive problems like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, cloves have been shown to relax the smooth muscles lining your digestive tract, which can alleviate symptoms of discomfort and promote smoother digestion. A study published in the journal Food Research International found that clove extracts have significant gastroprotective properties, which means they can protect your stomach lining from irritation and reduce the risk of ulcers. Number 2. Supports oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries as a remedy for oral health problems. The antibacterial properties of clove water make it excellent for maintaining good oral hygiene. When you drink clove water, it helps kill harmful bacteria in your mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, is also known for its numbing and pain-relieving properties. This is why clove oil is often recommended for toothaches. A study in the Journal of Dentistry confirmed that clove oil can reduce the number of bacteria in the mouth that cause gum disease and cavities. By incorporating clove water into your nighttime routine, you can keep your gums and teeth healthy and strong. Number 3. Improves respiratory health. For those who suffer from respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, or a chronic cough, clove water can offer significant relief. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties that help clear mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe. A study published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine found that the compounds in cloves can help reduce airway inflammation and improve lung function. Drinking clove water at night can soothe your respiratory system, reduce coughing, and even help prevent asthma attacks. This makes it a valuable addition to your nightly routine if you struggle with breathing issues. Number 4. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Clove water can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Cloves have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps your body better manage blood sugar levels. This is crucial for preventing blood sugar spikes and maintaining steady energy levels. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that clove extracts could significantly lower blood glucose levels in diabetic patients. The study concluded that cloves might be an effective natural remedy for managing diabetes. By drinking clove water before bed, you can help regulate your blood sugar levels overnight, reducing the risk of complications associated with high blood sugar. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, clove water might become your new favorite drink. Cloves can boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. This increased metabolic rate can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to shed extra pounds. Moreover, clove water can help suppress your appetite, making it easier to avoid late-night snacking, which is a common culprit in weight gain. A study in the Journal of Natural Medicines found that the compounds in cloves could inhibit the synthesis of fat by regulating lipid metabolism. Drinking clove water at night can support your weight loss efforts by promoting fat burning and helping you feel full longer. Number 6. Improves sleep quality. Finally, one of the most immediate benefits of drinking clove water at night is its ability to improve your sleep. Cloves have a soothing effect on the body and mind, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. This relaxation can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. A study published in Pharmacognosy Research found that eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has mild sedative effects, which can enhance sleep quality. By calming the nervous system, clove water can help you achieve a deeper, more restful sleep, allowing your body to repair and rejuvenate overnight. So there you have it, 6 incredible benefits of drinking clove water at night. It's a simple, natural remedy that can do wonders for your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.